So my name is Jason Graber, and I started Shed Suite in 2017 with my co-founder Fran, and we just had this vision to build a platform for shed companies specifically because of the problems that I saw shed companies were having in the space, just with disconnected systems and miscommunication and things. Initially, when we were designing the product and writing all the requirements, we really had to boil down to the essentials of how do you get a customer, how do you create that customer order, then how do you manufacture and deliver that customer order to the customer. So that includes the dealer dashboard to be able to configure an order, price that order, create an invoice, get a digital signature. That would be the dealer role in the point of sale system. And then we have the work order generation system where it can create a work order, assign it to a manufacturing shop. The shop can fulfill that order, build that order. Then we have the driver app where the driver can log in, see all the orders that he needs to deliver, schedule that order to be delivered to the customer and complete the delivery, even taking a final payment method for that delivery. So those are the key things that have to happen to sell a shed, build a shed, and deliver a shed. So we really focused on those things first. How Shed Suite helps shed companies capture leads would be through our e-commerce platform. We actually give every shed company an e-commerce domain where we will display all of their existing inventory. So a customer can come to there, shop the sheds that they have available for sale, and then through a 3D integration, they can actually create a 3D shed and add it to their cart and check out. And we even create dealer websites as well. So the shed company has their own e-commerce platform, and then every dealer under that company gets their own website as well. So we create marketing websites for them to display their inventory and allow customers to buy directly from the shed company as well as the dealers. We did a survey of all the customers from 2021 to 2022, all the existing customers that started in that time frame, where the average of the growth of every customer that started in that year was 187%. So at an average of an 187% growth rate across all the companies that started using Shed Suite in their first year, which is pretty incredible. So we've seen a lot of customers grow extremely fast, and we've also seen a lot of customers start using the product and just become more efficient. I think how Shed Suite helps shed companies provide better customer service is just having that central place where all the customer information lives on one order details screen. So if a dealer has a question about what the status is of the order, they can just pull up Shed Suite, look up the customer order, and see the status right there. They don't have to call the shop or call somewhere else to find out the status. It's always available and always up to date. And now with e-commerce, customers have their own login where they can log in, see the status of their order, and track it through the scheduling and the delivery of that order. The feature that we're working on right now is really exciting. It's called MRP. So Material Resource Planning, and it has everything to do with helping the shed company create a purchase order. So we're interfacing with the supplier to identify what raw material does that supplier sell. We allow the shed company to create a purchase order from that supplier. They receive that material into the platform. We track the material levels that they have at their shop. We then match the material to a work order that comes in from a sale. So we take a sale, we create a bill of material, and then we create a pick list for that particular order. So then we're able to pull that inventory out of stock, build the shed with it, and adjust inventory levels. We are extremely blessed, and we're so excited to work with the companies that we're working with. We have 80 of the most innovative, fast-growing companies in the industry working with us. And we're excited to keep providing great tools and new features for them. We're also excited about getting to know new companies as well. We know there's a lot of companies in the space that have not heard about us before, and we're excited to get to know them. Our process here is, hey, if you at all think that Shed Suite might be a good fit for you, let's have a conversation. We'd love to just talk to you. We'd love to show you what Shed Suite does, how it works, and see if Shed Suite would be a good fit for you.